I'm Daniela Beritin. I'm coming from organization Ecocenter Latinovac from Croatia.
My name is Igor Jezdimirovic. I'm coming from Serbia, from Environment Engineering Group.
My name is Kunegunda, and my surname is Jadowicz. I came from Warsaw, from Fundacja Pracownia Nauki i Przygody.
I'm Darina Georgieva. I'm from React, Bulgaria.
My name is Handana Karsus Carabello. I'm representing Sites APS, that is a social innovation organization in Italy based on Treviso.
Sem Anja Debeljak iz organizacije Gaia S za varstvo okolja. Večinoma se ukvarjamo z izobraževanjem in osveščanjem.
Inspiration,
Good practices,
Finding new ideas,
interest, networking,
networking,
and I would say Slovenia.
One of the biggest youth exchanges that we did was basically Who Will Remember Me, where the youth explore the situation with endangered species, and 5 times this youth exchange was repeat with a different partner, so the youth can understand the importance of the biodiversity.
We are all plant-based. We do not buy food that is out of our local area.
We serve vegetarian food or vegan food, depends sometimes on the groups. And we try to provide locally, seasonally food.
This is one of the key things that we do in all our activities. And as I said, we are not doing this like pushing the people or scaring them, because there are many stereotypes on it, but we share them why we do this and how we can do it together and how it can turn something beautiful.
Naš projekt Ekoizziv, igrifikacija varstva okolja, je imel glavni cilj vzpostavitev okoljske igre, ki jo lahko potem uporabljajo otroci, večinoma od 8. leta naprej.
Carpooling and advertising carpooling to the people that will come to the activities, the Erasmus activities or any other project.
Good planning involve the youth in this planning, because they have really good ideas and usually very clever ideas how to integrate sustainability in everyday activities.
And also cooking together, because cooking together reduce wastage of food, and it's very important as in case of carbon imprint on losing food and wasting it.
Support education and communication.
Communication and the language of the communication is really important.
Let it be everywhere, let it be small, but very easy to do by everyone, and gamify. Make it fun, make it attractive, and put it everywhere.